1,000 light years away from Earth on a planet known as the far... Oh, I didn't get to read that all. Pop. Oh. Oh, I did the thing. Okay, so I've played this game before. Not gonna lie, I've watched Jack, Second Guy, one of my most favorite YouTubers play this game that people call a game. Cool. I can't yell right now, I'm pretty mad. Here's some carrots. Small things. Small slimes. Eat that. I have your plort now. Your poop, I'm gonna throw it into my knees. Garden purchase. So on my first ever playthrough of this, I actually somewhat finished the game. Like, completed it. Did all the things I needed to do. Now I already built a garden. Won't go anymore. Okay, I finished the game until they came out with a new DLC. Yeah, I have not purchased. I do not want to purchase the DLC for a game that I barely ever play, but this game is adorable. I mean, look at these kids. These little guys. Look at them. You're mine. Okay. My objective is to get crystal slimes. Crystal slimes are probably the best slimes to get first. Like, first ever slimes to accomplish and get. I need a lot more food though. So we're gonna do a thing where I can... Cool. I don't need to read all of these because I've already... Fine, I'll do it. KCE High Beat. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what it's like. 7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far range like? Have you started blah blah blah? It's her boyfriend. That's all you need now. Here, eat my saplings. I own you like the sapling in Minecraft. You are mine to own. Here's a carrot. I need a ton of these things. I don't know why. So I can beat a giant thing. A giant pink guy. I'm gonna go show you where it is. But I've actually unlocked basically all the places over there just by rock slimes and tabbies. Tabbies are cats. I'll show you what all of them look like. So this thing down here, that's the most annoying thing ever because you have to wait. See, here's a little cat boy. He is mine now and I own him. Okay, so there's these things called tar slimes. And it's if a normal slime eats a plort that he's not supposed to, and then, well, a big Largo slime or a slime eats their own plort, or a plort that they're not supposed to eat, they turn into these bad guys that eat other slimes, but you shoot them into the water. Now see, that wasn't enough. I need more stuff. Oh, guess I didn't. 20, exactly. See, here's a slime key. I can use that stuff. There's an ornament. Oh, I really want this ornament, actually. I'll come back. See, dash boots. Those will make you go big fast. I'm gonna go. This ain't Minecraft, I can't go into third person. Off. Nope. Nope. There. That's good. Here's some food. Let me purchase high walls. Purchase. And purchase. Nope. This is boring. Why is this sound so high? Okay. Sleep until morning. Star mail, Casey, blah blah blah. He has a cat. He has a pet cactus. And he cares for it, and I think it died. I'll go check it out. Here. I'm just gonna speed read it. He can barely keep alive plants, and if he couldn't keep alive a cactus, he would be very disappointed in himself. And he bought it from her, like the thing, the company that B works for. These are mine. I use them for money. See, look at that. I'm already. See, look at that. 33. I had 9 of them. That was only 8. I'm big disappointed now. I need internet. See, so that this guy can't get out anymore. Pew! Here, wait, let's watch this. He's dead. He's gone forever. Don't question me. Here's some more carrots. Yay, carrots. Carrots are good for you. I really like these guys because they don't attack me. But the rock slimes will. See, now I can purchase another farm for garden. I'm gonna do a sleep again. This is where I purchase all the things. Here's the jetpack, dash boots, water tank, pull swipe, heart rate, heart module, power core, tank boost. Improved. Oh yeah, that improves how many I can hold. My 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh yeah, I also have a flashlight. Yeah, flashlight. Huh? Where is it? Oh. I have nice graphics, I forgot. Now I can't do this man's thing because it's not nighttime. Oh wait, no, that's not the thing that I wanted. No, that's really not. Okay. No, my guy's back. And these are all mine? Here's some carrots. That's what you guys eat. I eat your poop. By eat your poop, I mean boop. Ah. What even is that? Can I read? Boom. Now I have 557, and then I can add a plort collector purchase. Boom. And then it sucks up all the plorts. It's very nice. See, look at that. I had 9 pink ports and 6 tappy ports that I didn't even know were there. Here, let's look what boop is. Let tabby slime head butt you right on the nose. Ah, okay. I think I can create another corral. Yeah, I can. Just put all those guys in there. This is a lot more beautiful than it was on my old computer. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's so detailed. Looks so nice. Hey, I need to feed these guys as well. Ooh. Oh, I should've. I'm not very smart, as you could tell. But I'm gonna end this thing soon. Whatever this was. Here's some food. And give me all your plorts. Give me all your poop. Yep. Look at that. 37. I need those. Will come in nighttime. Wait. I think I'm glitching. Ow. I'm glitching out again. Hey, here's some more food. Hey, here's some food. You're mine. Come with me. I throw you into there. You're all of mine. Cool. not gonna be mean anymore to these little slime babies. Get there. You deserve to go out there. Back to their homies. And this is what I'm gonna do. I don't need you. I'm waiting for this to regen. Meow. Ah, no, 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 no. Okay, I'm through. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All smiles. Now I'm in here. Ain't this cool? And now I got booms. Come here, little boom baby. Little boom baby, come here. I need you. Thank you. I don't need you. I can always get more carrots. Now, I think that's like all the booms in this area. See, here's another big boy. No, but I need jetpack for this. No, I don't have a jetpack. I think I need rad ornament. Don't need it right now. Open up this, cool. I don't need rock bullets right now. I'm pretty sure rad, yeah. Well, these are booms, but I still want the booms. But rad spawn in here. And if you don't know what rad is, the radiation. They'll spawn in soon. I know they will. But I'm here mostly for the people in here. Woo! I get these guys. Yay, crystal slimes. These guys are like the worst to handle, but they're so much fun. I used to own a ton of them. I think... Oh, no. Okay, I think 8 is good. Oh. There's some... that. There's some of that. Ah. I don't want to be here when they blow up. And I'm pretty sure... Ah, puddle slimes. I need it. I need you. You're mine. You are also mine. These guys are adorable. They're the cutest things. Now, rads have not spawned here yet. So I got all these things, which are pretty cool. Crystal slimes are the best, because they give you a ton of money. Oh. Oop. Box. Want the Q-berry. I got out all these new pets. I need to create a pond ASAP. 450. 400. This will get me there though, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I could put these guys in there. Look at them. They're adorable. I love them so much. I want to soak up all your poop. And I'm gonna throw it into here, but I'm gonna end this video here. It's been a good one. We got Crystal Slimes first episode. Best slimes in the game. Here, let's check how much they... 83 coins. Look. 83. So I'm gonna end it now, and goodbye.